First, disconnect the battery to prevent accidental airbag deployment or electrical shorts. Tilt the driver's seat forward to access the four mounting bolts. Use a 17mm socket and ratchet to remove the four mounting bolts. Detach the outer panel by prying its clips using plastic trim removal tools or a flathead screwdriver. Unplug the wiring harness connectors from the panel, noting color codes for reconnection: black for ground, red for power. If replacing controls, disconnect the wiring harness from each switch and test continuity with a multimeter. Begin by connecting the wiring harness to the new control switches or control module, ensuring each connector is firmly seated. Install the new outer panel by aligning it with the seat frame and pressing it into place until all the clips are securely engaged to avoid rattles. Reconnect the main wiring harness to the outer panel. Reinstall the seat by aligning it with the mounting points and tightening the four bolts with the 17mm socket. Reconnect the vehicle's battery. If the Sorento is equipped with memory seats or other advanced features integrated with Kia's UVO system, the controls might need reprogramming using an OBD2 tool like the Kia GDS, typically done at a dealership. DIY alternatives such as 4Scan software exist, but are unofficial and should be used with caution.